Guys, it's Cat here. Shit, it's been forever since I've been out here. Quarantine cruise. There's Hack.
Hey, buddy.
What's up?
Good to see you.
Oh, saw Hack. Nice, Lincoln. What a monster. Body. Michael in his AMX. What's up, bro? Good morning. Good to see you. Yeah, I saw you at Soldiers, but I never saw you. I just saw the car. Hi, Rosemary. Good to see you. Representing PCTV. Thank you. Ooh, very nice spot. Got a whole crew in there. Shot. like the caddy buckets. Maybe 79. That's early. I had an, I think I had an 81 or 80. No, I had an 83. I had an 83. Nice. Still love my split bumpers. That's a beautiful right there. I think that was Italian design, by the way, that body. I'm not, I think Farina might have something to do it. I have to double check it was. That was actually body. Just come back really solid. And it's all fluid. Golden speed bump. Look at that. What do you got? The Olsen family in the house. Good morning. Look at this guy here. Wow. Shop cook. JC Oil. Oh, I like it. The door art. That is awesome. Me being an oil and gas guy. Whoa.
Hey, David Michael.
Hey, David. I just love it. You know this one, look at that, shake that booty.
Use some booty shake.
Oh, it's Bonnie.